Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen. Precious Metal Summit 2015, and it's coming to an end here, the second day. And my last interview partner, which I'm really happy about, is Condor Gold and Mark Child, the Executive Chairman and CEO of the company, to give us an update what was going on. Mark?
Great to be here.
Yeah, great to have you here, obviously. Well, we were talking the last time, I think it Minds and Money in London. And since then, a lot of good things happened, like the PFS you did. Maybe you comment a bit on that.
Yes, we put out a PFS and two PEAs in December, the end of December 2014, and the Prefeasibility had 80,000 ounce production per annum for 8 years. We add the inferred in, we get a bit more. We get to about 95,000 ounces a year. If we add the underground in, we get to 140,000 ounces a year. So we showed three scenarios within one document, and that was on our website on the 21st of December last year, after we met.
After that, exactly. Yeah, perfect. So what happened since then? I mean, you did optimizations, you worked on that, you drilled, of course. So please give us an insight there.
Yes, we decided the strategy for this year was the first thing to do was not to raise money, not to run out of cash. So I was set a task really by the board of how do we maximize shareholder value, and we looked at two ways. One was to show the upside of the project. So we have 2.4 million ounces at 4 grams, high grade, 1 million ounce open pitable at 3 grams. So we decided to do a bit of drilling. We put in 2,000 meters of drilling. We had a great intercept of 7.5 meters at 10 grams outside the pit, new high-grade ore shoot, and the shares came down 10%.
Okay, so makes no sense, but
makes no sense. It's a terrible market. So, and then I decided no more drilling because we're just not getting the reward, even with very good drill results. So we've also done 70 square kilometers of soil sampling, which gives us another 12 drill targets. We've done a new structural model at a cost of $40,000, which gives us another 30 exploration targets. And we've done an optimization to improve the economics. On the second side, we're now into de-risking it, which means we're looking for permits, and we're looking to get to secure the land that we need. So we're going through that this year.
Perfect. You were also talking about money. I think that's important in those markets. Yeah, you don't need money by now.
No, we don't. We had about $3.5 million US at the interim stage, and we'll end the year with $1.5 million. Middle of next year, we might need cash. We're also technically in an offer period at the moment, so we are in discussions. We've appointed Cormark Securities in Toronto. We're trading at about $14 an ounce in the ground. This offer period might lead to a takeover of the company. It might lead to a JV. There's a strategic review that comes out of this. So we'll see what happens. If we don't get what we want, we'll continue on our own route, but we might see a deal coming out.
Okay, wow, that's interesting. Okay, and how long does this offer period last?
We can come out of it at any time, but I think we'll see it continue.
Can you terminate then also?
Yes,
on your
you can
bridge?
terminate, yes. But we're going through a process of signing CAs. We have CAs with 8 companies at the moment. We've got site visits going on, and we'll see what comes out of it. It's a difficult market, but the optimization study, which I just mentioned, you touched on that, we had results out last week, and we used Whittle Consulting, who are top guys for doing this. And that's using special techniques across the mining value chain, from stockpiling to grind throughput recovery. And we end up with 30% more contained gold within our pit shells, and 20 to 25% more production, and per annum for 5 years. And you say, well, how have you done that with no drilling? So we've got 30% more gold in a pit shell with no drilling. That doesn't make sense. Well, what happens is we have an open pit of about 1 million, and underneath it we have 400,000 ounces. With the optimization, the pit ends up going a bit deeper, so we capture another couple of 100,000 ounces in the pit because we have a deeper pit. And it's all about bringing cash flows forward, so it's much more economic as a result. And those were amazing results. They were really surprised us, but of course the share price does nothing.
As usual.
So it's a very, very tough market.
Yeah, absolutely. But it seems to me like that, you did the right things this year so far, and we will see what comes out of the Cormark offer, I would call it, the process. And let's say, what would happen if somebody comes up and says, oh wow, I'm really interested, and I'm willing to pay a higher price than today because this would certainly something which would make sense to you and your shareholders, of course. Yeah. If what would you feel comfortable?
Well, I'm presenting in about 5 minutes, and one of the slides I have is that the average takeover price over the last 12 months is about $56 per ounce in the ground for resource companies.
You're on 14 now.
And we're 1.4. So
that's 4 times.
That's 4 times. That would be, if someone wants to offer us that, the answer is yes, please write the check now.
Okay.
But people don't want to overpay in this market. People are very cautious. The majors have to justify that to their shareholders. But if the price was right, we would sell. And I've given an indication of the right price. That'd be the average. We got a better than average deposit. We're 680 cash cost, all in sustaining cash cost.
Yeah.
We got 4 gram of material. We got everything going for us. Let's hope we get something, but if we don't want to give it away. We're not desperate.
Of course, yeah.
It's such a unique asset.
Absolutely. Great. Mark, thank you very much for the update.
Thank you.
And I think you're still in a great position, and let's see what happens, and hopefully we can talk soon.
Thank you.
See you in London latest.
Thanks for squeezing the interview in.
No problem. Thank you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Mark Child, the CEO of Condor Gold. Well, you heard it. They are in a good position. Still, optimization study went very well. And now, interesting part is look at the company. But as said, it has to be the right price for sure. At those prices, it makes no sense for the shareholders. And yeah, we will see what comes up here. Tough times, not easy markets, and sometimes, yeah, maybe positive surprises then. So, thanks for watching us. That was it from the Precious Metal Summit 2015. Bye-bye from Zurich.